Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to install the drawer. And if you do not know what the drawer is, it's basically like this menu that pops out from under, okay? And kind of think of it like how on mobile devices this separate menu kind of appears from the bottom, okay? So they've kind of created something like that, but for your websites, okay? So I'm going to show you how to install this Shadcn drawer component. So let's get started. Before I show you how to add this into your project, you need to go and install Shadcn into your project. I've already shown you how to install Shadcn using Next.js and React. You can go and watch those tutorials to install and set up Shadcn in your project. After you've done that, what you need to do is just type in the command npx shadcn at latest add drawer, okay? So after that, it'll just quickly install that, and that's it. After that, to use this drawer in your website, you just need to add in drawer, and you need to get it from add component /ui /drawer, okay? After that, you put in a few different things. For example, you need to add in the DrawerTrigger, okay? This will trigger it for you. Okay, I will just say DrawerTrigger, okay? And you can add styling to this, okay? So after this, you can then add in the drawer content, okay? Without this, the drawer won't open because it won't have anything to trigger, okay? So content, okay? And inside of this is all of the content that is going to be used, okay? So I'm going to add in the drawer header, okay? And the drawer header is going to have different things inside of it, but I'm going to add in below this the drawer footer, okay? And the footer is going to have different things inside of it, okay? So first let's tackle the drawer header. The drawer header is going to have the drawer title, okay? And the drawer description. And the footer is going to have a button, okay? I'll just call it close because I'm going to use the button to trigger a close, okay? So I'm going to add in drawer close, okay? And that's going to be in the footer. And let's see here. I don't know if this has flex or not, but I'm just going to add some styling. And you can use class names in any of these, by the way, inside of this, or this, anything. So I'm just going to copy paste this styling to the button, and inside of this I'm just going to add in flex, and here I'm just going to add in auto, okay? So here I'm going to say title, and this will be description, okay? So for now, actually I'm gonna go in and grab some things from my card here, okay? And I'm just gonna show you that if you have some kind of content, right? A image, video, or something like that, or even some plain text, you can just add it here and that will just work, okay? So we should be good to go, okay, if everything worked correctly. So let's see this, and as you can see, we are getting our button. If I click this, you will see that we are getting our title, description, and the image. Now the image seems to be too big, so what we can do for that, so I'm just going to shrink the image down a little bit. Let's see here. Let's do 50. Yeah, Okay, so anything else won't just go to the center automatically. Okay, but you can easily fix that. You can just do, I think, a div with a class name, just add flex to this, add this here, and actually let's just copy this and just add this here. Okay, if I save this, oh right, I also need to make this a flex dash column, and as you can see, everything is in the center. The button automatically ends up being in the center, so this didn't really do anything at the end of the day. I thought it would, but it did not. Also, this is a choice, by the way, so if you just click this will just close it. And also this bar that you're seeing here, I don't know if you're able to see it or not, but this is a bar and you can just drag it down. Okay, so you have this option as well. So this is how a drawer works. It goes from the bottom to up. Okay, and you also have certain options with this. Okay, so you can just check these out as well. Direction. Okay, so you can change the direction of this as well. So by default it's bottom. You can do the left, right, or top. So I'm gonna choose top for now. Okay, and if I click this, as you can see, it's coming from the top. And if I do left, it's gonna come out from the left. Okay, so this is up to you how you want to do this, but this is how the drawer works. Okay, it's something that slides in from whatever direction you want, and it also is closable like this. Okay, and you can just drag it out of the screen as well. And if you're wondering how to change any of the styles, it's really simple. Just for example, let's say you wanted to change the background, so you can do black and text white. Okay, so let's see what this does. As you can see, the text is now okay. So it didn't do it for the text, by the way, but it did it for the background color. You can just directly add the text. There we go. So you can just directly add that. So I hope you liked this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.